there you have it. So I've been waiting for this one. This one took about 3 weeks to arrive. I saw a video here on YouTube, and it was how to add wheels to your mini US General box. And if you guys, if you guys don't know what that looks like, this one right here. So I'm gonna add some wheels to this. Now check this out. And like I said, I've been waiting for this for a while. So let me go ahead and open this. Alright guys, so I had to cut off because it was showing my address on the other side right here. So check this out. This looks pretty cool. Okay, so here we go guys. Look at that. Spins around. This looks pretty cool. miniboxmods.com. Nice, thank you for that. And let's see. Oh, okay. It's like a little step ladder, it looks like right here. A little step ladder. Like a wedge. Alright, so let's get this together. Let me get the US General Mini Toolbox. I had to empty it out. Alright, so let's turn this upside down. And I saw the video, so let's see if this is easy. They said to remove these little feet, but can I put it without removing these little feet right here? No, I think it's better to remove the feet. So I'm going to remove the feet right here. These little feet right here are in the way. And as you can see, they do extend a little bit right there. So let's go ahead and remove these with my little clip puller. And I just really hope that this works out. I was gonna make my own, put my own wheels on this, but when I saw this online, I'm like, what the heck, So let's pull these out. There you go. Pretty easy to pull out. All right. Let's get this one out. Easy to get, your fingernail underneath there, and then just pull them out. There you go. All right, nice and easy breezy. I'm gonna be really happy if this works out, because sometimes I have this on the corner of my workbench, and instead of picking it up to move it over in the center to get something from my toolbox, I just wheel it over. And that is a great idea. The person that created these is a genius. Just like First Class Amateur. If you guys check out First Class Amateur, that YouTube channel, that guy's a genius. Because he creates things too. If you can do something in life, guys, why don't you show other people? Start a YouTube channel. Because what happens, there's a lot of people that went to their grave with things in their mind that nobody ever knew about, and it never became something, So, start a YouTube channel. Why not? Share your life stories. It could be on any type of a niche, That's why I started this YouTube channel, because, I have a lot of knowledge, and there's so many people out there with knowledge that they don't even share it with the world. There you go. Beautiful. All right. They did not rip off, so I can save this for something. Maybe in the future I can use it for something. I don't know. Anyway, so let's go ahead and put this little notch right here. Make sure it's facing out. Wow, this is amazing. Let me just admire this. Like a little tiny hole right there. But they feel grippy, a little bit grippy and plasticky at the same time. So one goes in the middle. I mean, at the corner, not the middle. One goes there. And this one, let's see. This one goes on this side because it's facing this way. There you go. They fit. Let's put the other one here. All right, so it's a little bit long here. Why is that? I gotta check out that. Oh, wait a minute. Ah, there you go. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Excellent. All right, so let's do the last one. And it looked like these are 3D printed because you could see like the layers on this. You could see like little layers, you know. Wow, this is incredible. Okay, so these, they could slide over, they can move over, right? So that's where this comes in. This goes in the notches. Remember those little notches that I showed you guys? Oops. That notch right there, this one, and this one right here. You're supposed to lock this in place. Just bend it a little bit. Bend it a tad bit. Bend it up a little bit. And there you go. Locks it in place. Raised up a little bit, but that's okay because it gives it a little bit of tension. And then this one. Alright, so this one goes here. And just bend it a tad bit. So I can put it in there. There you go. So it's not, this really doesn't have anything to do with it. So there you go. It's installed, guys. Look at that. So this will not go this way because this is holding it, and it will not go this way because this one is holding it. So they all work together. So let's turn this around. What a beauty. Look at that. Oh man, I can't believe I put mini wheels on my US channel. Look at, this is the front view right here. Look at that. I am very impressed. I have to give you a big thumbs up. Whoever created this, big huge thumbs up. Thank you for making it. It's a small company. You can tell it's a small company because it took a while to ship. You know, when you have small companies, small businesses, you know, it takes a while to ship because they probably get a lot of orders. Okay, so this is the information right here. So it says scan me, instructions, snapping cast. So just look up, there's a address right there, miniboxmods.com. And there you have it, guys. Wow. Add wheels to your US General Mini Toolbox. Alright guys, so I noticed that it does sometimes, when I was looking at the bottom, when I was pushing this around like this, I'm gonna show you. When I'm looking at the bottom, sometimes the wheel doesn't spin. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. It doesn't spin sometimes. So I think it just needs a little bit of oil. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on this. This is actually a paper shredder oil. So why not, right? Put a tad bit of oil on the ball bearings here. See how I'm gonna do this. Just a tad bit. Right there. Maybe that'll help it. It felt just a little bit of a, you know, stiff. But look at that. I think it's much better now. There you go. Spin it around a little bit. All right, next. There you go. I think that'll help it. And maybe I should put a little bit on top of here too. A little bit on top. Why not? And if there's too much, I'll just go ahead and wipe it with a paper towel. Oh wow, I can feel it now. It's very very spinny now, very loose. Excellent. There you go. All right, let's do this one right here. Put a little bit here and a little bit here. There's always sirens going on here in New York City. So you hear. All right, so spin it around a little bit. Oh yeah, very spinny now. What a beauty, what a beauty. I know I say that a lot, guys. There you go. Okay, so let me just get a little bit of paper here. Wipe off the excess. Oh yeah, feels good now. Look at that. Because you know, when you have that metal rubbing on metal, Sometimes just need a little lubricant, that's all. All right. Let's see now. Should be better. Let me look at the bottom. Oh yeah, much better. Look at that. Just put a little bit of oil in it and that's it. There you have it, guys. Beautiful. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Remember, consider subscribing if you want to see more helpful videos, tips, tricks, tools, EDC stuff. And hit that like button for me, please. And take it easy. Later.
The world full of gadgets, where to begin? Get the tips and the tricks, let the journey begin. Everyday carrier, we got the right crew. Tools in our hands, building something new. From the blaze and cut to the multi-tools break, come discover the magic, we'll guide you right. Home Depot or the Lowe's, Harbor Freight's call. Amazon treasures, let's share it all. Subscribe to the channel, don't miss out. We're all about tools, that's what it's about.